Introduction. Welcome back to Coin Market Insider. Today we are going to talk about one of the most interesting coins in German coin history. The 1991 1 Pfennig coin with the Mintmark J from Hamburg. Many people have seen this small copper-colored coin and ignored it. But some collectors believe certain rare variations of this coin could be extremely valuable. Some rumors even claim the value could reach $963,096,000. In this video we will explore the real story of the 1991 1 Pfennig coin. We will discuss its design history, minting details, rarity, collector demand, and possible value in the coin market. If you love rare coins and hidden treasures, then watch this video until the end because this small coin might surprise you. History of the 1 Pfennig coin. The 1 Pfennig coin was part of the German Deutsche Mark currency system, used in West Germany and later unified Germany, before the introduction of the euro in 2002. The Pfennig was the smallest unit of the Deutsche Mark. 100 Pfennig were equal to 1 Deutsche Mark. These coins were used in everyday transactions for many decades. The 1 Pfennig coin design was introduced in 1948 after World War II when Germany introduced the Deutsche Mark currency. This coin remained in circulation for more than 50 years until the euro replaced the German mark. During those decades, billions of Pfennig coins were minted. However, certain years' mint marks and errors are much rarer than others, which makes them attractive to collectors. 1991 1 Pfennig coin. The coin we are discussing today is the 1991 1 Pfennig coin with the Mintmark J, which represents the Hamburg mint. Germany had several mints producing coins during that period. Each mint used a different letter to identify where the coin was produced. Mint marks used in Germany include A for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, J for Hamburg. The Hamburg Mintmark J coins are very interesting for collectors because some years had lower production numbers compared to other mints. This makes certain coins more desirable depending on their condition and rarity. Design of the coin. The 1991 1 Pfennig coin was designed by Adolf Jäger, who created many famous German coin designs. His work is known for clean detail and symbolic elements representing German agriculture and national identity. Obverse design. The obverse side of the coin shows a beautiful oak plant with 2 oak leaves and an acorn stem. Oak leaves are a very important symbol in German culture. They represent strength, stability, and national heritage. Around the design you will see the inscription, Bundesrepublik Deutschland. This means Federal Republic of Germany. The inscription represents the official country name of Germany after World War II. Reverse design. The reverse side of the coin shows 2 wheat ears surrounding the denomination. This design symbolizes agriculture, productivity, and prosperity. In the center you will see the denomination, 1 Pfennig. Below the denomination you will see the year 1991 and the Mintmark J, which indicates the coin was produced in the Hamburg Mint. Creator of the coin. The designer Adolf Jäger was a respected German artist and coin designer. His designs appeared on several German coins. The 1 Pfennig design is one of the most recognizable German coin designs ever produced. Metal composition and size. The 1991 1 Pfennig coin is made of copper-plated steel. Specifications include weight approximately 2 grams. Diameter approximately 16.5 millimeters. Thickness around 1.38 millimeters. Shape round. Edge smooth. These small coins were lightweight and easy to produce in large quantities, which made them perfect for everyday use in Germany. Mintage numbers. Millions of 1 Pfennig coins were produced each year. For 1991, the total production across all German mints was extremely large. However, each mint had different production numbers. Coins from some mints can be slightly harder to find in high condition, which increases collector interest. The Hamburg J mint coins are collected by people who try to complete full Mintmark sets of German Pfennig coins. Collector demand. Many coin collectors around the world collect German coins because of their long history and beautiful designs. The 1 Pfennig series is very popular among beginner collectors as well as advanced collectors who enjoy completing year and Mintmark set. Coins in perfect uncirculated condition are always more valuable than coins that were heavily used in circulation. Coins with mint errors or unusual variations can also be worth significantly more than normal coins. The rumor of $963096000 value. Now let us talk about the rumor that this coin could be worth $963,096,000. Many viral posts on the internet claim that certain coins are worth millions or even hundreds of millions of dollars. These stories usually appear on social media and attract a lot of attention. In reality, most standard 1991 1 Pfennig coins are worth only a small amount to collectors. Their value usually depends on condition, rarity, and special errors. In normal circulated condition, these coins may only sell for a small collector value. However, extremely rare mint errors, prototype coins, or historical auction pieces can sometimes sell for much higher prices. That is why collectors always carefully check their coins for unusual features. Rare error possibilities. Collectors search for several types of rare errors, including double strike coins, off-center strike coins, misaligned dies, wrong metal planchets, die cracks or die breaks. If a 1991 1 Pfennig coin had a major mint error, it could become significantly more valuable to collectors. Condition and grading. The condition of a coin plays a major role in its value. Professional grading companies evaluate coins and assign them grades based on preservation. Common grades include good condition coins that show heavy wear, fine condition coins that show moderate wear, extremely fine coins with small signs of circulation, uncirculated coins with no wear and full mint luster. A coin in uncirculated condition can be worth many times more than the same coin in worn condition. Why collectors love small coins. Many collectors enjoy small denomination coins like the Pfennig because they represent everyday history. These coins passed through the hands of millions of people during daily life. They were used in shops, markets, transportation, and vending machines. Holding one of these coins today is like holding a small piece of history from the time before the euro currency existed in Europe. Tips for new coin collectors. If you are interested in collecting coins like the 1991 1 Pfennig, here are some simple tips. Always check the year and mint mark carefully. Use a magnifying glass to inspect details. Look for unusual errors or variations. Store coins in protective holders. Avoid cleaning coins because it can reduce their value. Collectors who follow these steps can protect their coins and potentially discover valuable pieces in the future. Final thoughts. The 1991 1 Pfennig coin with the Hamburg J Mintmark is a fascinating piece of German coin history. Its elegant design, created by Adolf Jäger, reflects Germany's agricultural heritage and national identity. While most examples are common collector coins, the search for rare variations and mint errors keeps collectors interested. Stories about coins worth hundreds of millions of dollars attract attention, but the true value of coin collecting comes from the history, discovery, and excitement of finding rare pieces. Every coin has a story, and sometimes even the smallest coin can lead to a big discovery. If you enjoyed learning about the 1991 1 Pfennig coin, then make sure to subscribe to Coin Market Insider for more rare coin stories, market updates, and hidden coin treasures from around the world. Thank you for watching, and keep searching your coins because the next rare treasure might already be in your pocket.